What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change email address on Deriv. So currently we're here on Deriv, and what you'll need to do is to go over to your top right corner, click on your profile icon or avatar. It can be found just beside the bell icon at the extreme right, click on it. Then you're going to have your profile details right here. You'll need to scroll down, and under security and safety, you'll need to click on email and passwords. And here you got your email address. This is the email address associated with your Deriv account. And you can see it right there. In order to change it, you will need to click on change email. Then you have this prompt, change your login email. To change your email address, you first need to unlink your email address from your Google account. So in order to do this, proceed with this button right here by clicking on unlink from Google and go ahead with the easy to follow instructions to change your email address. So this is how to change email address on Deriv.